Am I looking like a Korean? Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. So today in this video, if you have read the title, you know already that what we are doing. And today we are testing out, trying out some Korean makeup hacks. And you know what happened the other day? Like, I want to try out on my face and you're just gonna watch me doing it. So yeah, I was saying what happened the other day. Like, I was going through my YouTube, I was just scrolling it normally, and I saw this video popping up. It was something like, you know, viral makeup hacks, viral Korean makeup hacks, and I watched it. और उसके बाद non-stop, I don't know how many videos, like 7 to 10 videos I've watched continuously. It was so addictive. I mean, it wasn't like, you know, very useful tricks. They were so stupid. They're literally so stupid and they're just, you know, very fun to watch. So अभी कुछ दिन पहले ही मैंने 2-3 यूट्यूबर्स को देखा and they were recreating these hacks. They were, you know, trying out these hacks themselves. So I thought ki yes, this is gonna be really fun, and I am not supporting these hacks. Like, I won't do all of this, you know, in my regular life, क्योंकि I like everything, you know, in a conventional way. मतलब भाई जो जैसा है उसको वैसा ही रहने दो. और I feel कि hacks are, you know, there to make your life easier, not harder. And by this what I mean, you're gonna see in the video. So I'll be watching these hacks here on my laptop and I'll be explaining it if any explanations needed. So it's pretty much clear like what they all are doing. So yeah, let's get started. So I don't know if you have noticed or not, I have already done my base because I wanted at least one thing to go right. And I'm not sure whether it's right or not because as I said, इस रूम में बहुत ज़्यादा गर्मी होती है, इसलिए I think it's melting थोड़ा सा. But anyway, we'll make do. Alright, so let's start with the first hack. Okay, I'm watching it here. Okay, so what she did here is if you have noticed the Korean face structure, generally, like speaking for the most people, they have a little broad face over here and it narrows down as you know, as you go down it gets a little narrowed. So we are gonna try and mimic this face structure by contouring. Of course, I'm not gonna cut my face or anything, so we're gonna do that by, you know, contouring and highlighting. So here she has made this narrow face structure and उसने बहुत ही ज़्यादा light color का concealer यहाँ पे use किया है. The lightest that I have is this one. This is from Wet n Wild, so I'm gonna use this. And I think I need a contour stick for this as well. मैंने सारी चीज़ें यहाँ रखी हुई है जो भी मुझे ज़रूरत है. I know I'm gonna make a joke out of myself by doing all these things, but hey, I don't care. Okay, so we're gonna draw a line over here like this. Are you able to see it? Then we are taking it here. So far so good. अब यहाँ से जो उसने किया है, this is not extremely normal. I mean, it's okay if you have a narrow face already, but if you don't have a narrow face and you're trying hard to, you know, make it look narrow, then definitely it's gonna look very artificial and weird. So oh my god. I don't know what to feel about this. This is so funny. Oh my god. यहाँ आके तो पता भी नहीं चल रहा है ये contour stick. This concealer is not very light क्योंकि उसने एकदम ज़्यादा white concealer use किया है. If you see it properly. Okay, here too. I forgot my nose. इससे पहले मुझे nose भी करना था. I don't contour my nose. I mean, it looks really weird. So I generally don't contour my nose. But for this video, we are doing it. You know, the Korean style. Okay, if you're wondering कि why I'm watching that side, it's because I kept my laptop there. मुझे यहाँ रखना थोड़ा uncomfortable लग रहा था. On the forehead as well. It's too much. It's too much. She has applied a little bit over here also. So yeah, let's do that. It's too much product in my understanding. How do I look? Am I looking good? Out. So now we are gonna blend it out using a beauty blender. And which part to blend first? I mean, let's see. She's blending the contour first. So it's gonna make the beauty blender dark, no? Isn't it? I don't know. I mean, can you take me seriously with this face? I don't think. Okay. Let's do it anyway. It's gonna get ruined. You know what happens with the stick contour and stuff like this? Like, the moment you apply it, उसी समय आपको blend करना होता है. You cannot wait for it to dry. मतलब अगर आप ज़्यादा देर तक उसको wait करोगे लगा के, तो definitely ये dry होगा ना. Does my face look chiseled and narrow and slim, or do I look like a joker? I think the second option is better suited. After blending it, it's quite invisible, but that's also because I think I'm gonna sneeze. No. But क्योंकि मैंने ज़्यादा डार्क नहीं लिया था ना, लाइक मेरा कॉन्टोर शेड भी बहुत तो नहीं पर काफ़ी हल्का था, और मेरा हाइलाइटिंग शेड भी हल्का था. मतलब शी यूज द टोटल वाइट हाईलाइट. नॉट बैड. आई थॉट कुछ ज़्यादा ही गंदा दिखने वाला है. हाँ, पर यहाँ थोड़ा पैची हो गया है, बट वी कैन मैनेज दैट. आई एम नॉट गोना रेट दीज हैक्स, क्योंकि एज आई सेड कि मैं इन्हें कभी भी यूज़ नहीं करने वाली हूँ, एंड आई फील दे आर रियली स्टूपिड, सो आई एम नॉट गोना रेट देम एनीवे. लेट्स मूव ऑन टू द नेक्स्ट हैक एंड लेट्स डू आवर आईब्राउज नाउ. This is okay. This is normal. Nothing to, nothing very scary. I don't have any brow product, like the brow pomades that you have. वो मेरे पास नहीं है, इसीलिए I'm gonna use my kajal and I'm gonna draw on this toothpick ever so slightly, ताकि बहुत ज़्यादा कार्टून ना लगूँ मैं. And we are gonna see how it works. I'm gonna zoom you guys a little bit so you know what's going on. बहुत थोड़ा सा मैंने इसमें लिया है इस टूथपिक पे, दिखाई भी नहीं देगा आपको ये. I think I took it a little higher than I should. Okay. This is not bad. So when I said कि hacks are there to make your life easier, not harder, this is what I meant. अब आप क्या इतनी देर तक बैठ के अपना आईब्राउ करते रहेंगे टूथपिक से? And now we are gonna run a spoolie over it to smoothen out everything. This is the oh, I just broke my spoolie. I can fix it. I mean, you see, मतलब एक काम के लिए आपको 3 अलग अलग काम करने पड़ रहे हैं. जनरली मैं क्या करती, आई शेडो पाउडर लेती और आई वुड हैव अप्लाइड इट डायरेक्टली ऑन माई आईब्राउज. अभी आई नीड टू टेक अ टूथपिक, उसके बाद आई नीड टू रब अ काजल ऑन इट, देन आई नीड टू बी वेरी केयरफुल वाइल अप्लाइंग इट, देन आई नीड टू रन अ स्पूली टू इट ऑन इट. तो वाई इट्स नॉट बैड ईदर. आई मीन, आई एम गोना लेट यू जज. And by the way, if you're thinking कि I'm looking like a joker and I'm not looking good, my face is not looking good and my makeup is all over the places, don't you think I know? I watched it twice. मतलब मैं जाके कैमरे में चेक करके आई हूँ, तो I know, and that's what we are doing. So okay, don't judge me. अभी हम लोग करने वाले हैं आई शेडो। तो यहाँ पे इसने 3 कलर्स लगाए साइमल्टेनियसली एंड शी इज़ रबिंग इट ऑल टुगेदर एंड इट लुक्स गुड. I don't know. Yeah, it looks good. So let's take the colors and I think I'm gonna take this one first. No, not this one, yaar. I need to take the brown one now first. Okay. Let's take the brown one first and apply it over here like she did. है ना? Okay. This is the brown one. Then I think I'm gonna get a golden one. I'm not going to completely copy what she's doing, ठीक है? I want to make a gradient look with these colors, so just to see how they look. और मेरा ये एप्लीकेटर बहुत गंदा हो गया है, तो what can I do? I don't want to wash them. I'm very lazy. I'm feeling very lazy these days. And after that, I'm going to take this copper shade. Okay, so we have 3 shades here. And I'm gonna rub them all together. Let's rub it together. Oh, it looks horrible. It definitely looks horrible because I think मुझे ये जो लास्ट वाला शेड है ना, ये मुझे मैट शेड लेना चाहिए था, but I did a mistake by taking all the shimmer shades. So it's looking a little not good, but you know what I feel abhi? It's like, I'm a little kid who is just starting off with, playing with her mother's makeup or something. That's how I feel. It started raining. Oh my god. It's looking like someone has punched me right in the eyes. Do you love the sound of rain? It's so relaxing. You can listen to it pretty much now. It's raining out there. Okay, I'm not happy with the eyeshadow. I totally messed it up. I mean, फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल पहले तो मुझे एक क्लीन एप्लीकेटर लेना चाहिए था. मैंने यहाँ थोड़ा गंदा वाला एप्लीकेटर ले लिया था. आई एम नॉट कोऑपरेटिंग विद दीज हैक्स. आई फील मुझे थोड़ा अच्छे से ध्यान से करना चाहिए अभी. व्हाट कैन आई डू नाउ? लेट इट बी. यू नो व्हाट आई फील लाइक, मुझे ऐसा लग रहा है जैसे मुझे पकड़ना भी नहीं आता ये मेकअप प्रोडक्ट्स और मेकअप टूल्स. दिस इज़ हाउ आई फील एंड आई स्मज्ड हियर. वाओ. डू नॉट एवर फॉलो दिस हैक्स, ओके? नेवर एवर फॉलो दिस. या ओनली अगर आप घर पे बैठे हैं, आपके पास कुछ भी नहीं है करने के लिए, तो फिर आप कर सकते हैं. अदरवाइज एट योर ओन रिस्क. सो वी आर गोना डू द आई लाइनर. और मैं कभी भी अपना आईलाइनर ऐसे आंखें बंद करके नहीं लगाती हूँ. मुझे पता नहीं, मुझे डर लगता है ऐसे लगा. आई नीड टू क्लोज माई आईज फॉर द होल टाइम एंड मेक अ लिटिल विंग ओवर हियर. अरे इट्स नॉर्मल, इट्स गुड. इज इट स्ट्रेट? दिस इज़ डेफिनेटली नॉट हाउ इट लुक्ड ऑन हर, बट ठीक है, अच्छा ही दिख रहा है, बुरा नहीं दिख रहा. So yeah, moving on. If you thought this was the end, then no, it's not. It's gonna get worse. So hold on. What is this? I'm gonna bring you up close so that you can see how am I ruining my face. This is the part. It's not happening अच्छे से. I think I need more. Uh-oh. That's a little too yellow. Like when she is doing it, she's doing it fine. It looks good on her. But I don't know. I think I got this wrong because this is not even close. is not looking good, not on me at least. There's definitely something that I am doing wrong, क्योंकि उस पर ये इतना ज़्यादा गंदा नहीं दिख रहा था. Oh no. क्या बोलूँ अब मैं? It's looking really weird, I know. Ladies and gentlemen, this is the time for the lipstick. The most horrible part. Trust me. Ooh, I see what you're doing there. Oh my god. Oh my god. You know, suddenly I'm feeling like I have lost all of my makeup skills, and I'm even worse than a beginner or what. Like, I feel like I'm a kid who is, you know, playing with her mom's makeup. And my hands are shivering. Why my hands are shivering? See how pretty this looks. I mean, only one thing which is looking nice on my face is this red lipstick. Nothing else. Oh my god, I didn't realize. Okay, so अभी क्या होने वाला है? अभी इस इतने सुंदर लिपस्टिक को हम करने वाले हैं ख़राब, क्योंकि that's what we are doing in this video. And we have to put concealer like outer areas में, and after that we have to blend that concealer so that we're gonna get that radiant lips. Whoever made this hack, I don't know, what were you thinking? Were you high or something? And I'm not gonna, you know, मैं अपना ये कंसीलर वॉन्ट ख़राब नहीं करने वाली हूँ, क्योंकि डेफिनेटली मैं बहुत ज़्यादा यूज़ करती हूँ अपने कंसीलर को, और आई डोंट वांट टू रूइन इट फॉर एनी स्टूपिड हैक लाइक दिस. सो आई एम गोना टेक द कंसीलर ओवर हियर ऑन दिस Q-tip and I'm gonna apply it from here. ठीक है? I'm so scared. I'm so scared. Oh my god. My heart is, you know, not allowing me to do this, but you know what, this is like my worst nightmare coming true. क्योंकि whenever I put my red lipstick, मुझे हमेशा ये डर रहता है मेरे दिमाग में कि कहीं थोड़ा सा इधर हो जाएगा, उधर हो जाएगा, और you know, removing it is not that easy. Like, you have to again retouch up your base and all. तो it's my worst nightmare. I don't know where I'm going with this. मतलब एक्चुअली पता है बात ये है कि इस पे वीडियो में जितना गंदा दिख रहा है उससे भी गंदा मैं कर रही हूँ, तो आई नो, लाइक आई एम नॉट गुड एट, यू नो, डूइंग दिस कोरियन ट्रिक्स, एंड ऑफ कोर्स दिस इज़ माय फर्स्ट टाइम, तो नो जजिंग. I don't know what have I transformed myself into, but hey, if you are new here and if you are thinking that this is what I do, then please check my Instagram. This is definitely not what I do. Like, I can do pretty good makeup. Okay, after that we are gonna put the highlighter to make it look better, because you know how good it looks already. I'm gonna give you guys an up close look so that you can see how beautiful I look. मेरे पास और 2-3 हैक्स थे, पर मैं वो नहीं करने वाली, क्योंकि आई एम सेटिस्फाइड विद हाउ आई लुक. आई मीन, आई डोंट वांट टू लुक इवन मोर ब्यूटीफुल. दिस इज़ just fine. And yes, this is it for today's video, and if you like this video and if you enjoyed it even a little bit, then please do not forget to give me a thumbs up. Also, please subscribe to my channel, and if you want to stay connected to me on Instagram, then this is where you can find me. This is my Insta ID, and handle is also given right here. Also, you can find it on the description box. So yeah, bye bye.